Hi, my name is Ashton Peasley, and I'm the president and founder of the American Academy of Medicine and Surgery undergraduate chapter here at UCLA. AAMS-UC is UCLA's first student-led organization dedicated to giving undergraduates early hands-on surgical training years before we'd ever see it in medical school. We teach technical skills like suturing, vessel ligation, valve replacements, and even coronary artery bypass grafting on porcine hearts. We believe the future of medicine starts now. Our mission is to equip future physicians with the skills, mentorship, and confidence they need to excel. So when the time comes to step into an operating room, we're ready. In just the past year, we've trained over 35 students, hosted 5 workshops, and connected members with surgeons and physicians who are shaping the future of medicine. But to keep this going and to grow, we need your help. Your donation will go directly towards surgical equipment, practice materials, and expanding access to these opportunities for more UCLA undergraduate students. Every contribution, no matter the size, makes a tangible difference. You're not just funding supplies, you're investing in the next generation of surgeons, physicians, and healers. From all of us at AAMS-UC, thank you for believing in our mission and for helping us suture the future one student at a time.